Hey guys, and today we're going to be going to YouTube, which apparently I just clicked on a video on accident. Okay, now I'm going to show you a video. So, we're going to search Dant TDN. So, he is a perfectly clean person. He does not cuss. He even says that he does not. He just does it, and he's really great in videos. I want you to go subscribe to him right now. Right now. If you're not already subscribed, I forget to subscribe. He has 13,904,616 subscribers. Whoa. And I just want to show you something. Dan TDM. That's all you have to type in. Diamond. Oops. Play button. Look at this. 5 months ago. There's like 4, 5, 6 different videos, but we're only gonna watch this top one.
Hey everyone, Dan here, and welcome back to another video where today
This is the one I watched. Do you see his face? It's funny.
my goodness, guys, it's a package from YouTube. What? Okay, yeah, this is quite heavy, so I'm not gonna hold it up for long, but I've just been delivered this really cool looking leather bound box, which I'm guessing is from YouTube, because it's got a big silver logo on the front. I have a pretty good idea as to what is inside, considering it is so heavy, but let me just lay it down carefully here. I'm gonna open the glass. Did you hear that? I hope you heard that. And I'm gonna open it and oh, that's a little bit weird. Why is there a Pikachu inside? That's strange, but there's more. What? A creeper? We don't need you, Mr. Creeper. I'm trying to find what I thought would actually be in here. How on earth is all this stuff in here? This is so weird.
Yeah, she texted me. She said, she just texted me like right now. She said, I said, Mary,
Don't mind the people in the background. Just keep watching.
A cup of tea.
It wasn't really a cup of pizza and tea in there. He picked up pizza and tea though.
That's good. That's really good. Yes.
Watch this.
It's finally there. Look, my diamond play button. I'm chewing pizza right now. It's kind of rude. But yeah, guys, check it out. My diamond play button finally came. This is absolutely amazing. Let me just get it out of the package. Now, I cannot stress to you how heavy this thing is, but look at it. Yes. This is a
See, he got his diamond play button. Let's look at this. this is.
Then we can move out, which would be awesome. Right, what's next? Sports, dogs, what else? What else? Music, sport. We've unlocked it. I've got 1 million views left. We have 5 million views per video now, which is crazy. And we unlocked a new thing at the pug shop. I don't know what it was, but
Okay. I hope one day we get a diamond play button. Well, no need to worry, because probably someday we will grow up being a great YouTuber, and yeah. So, let's go. And yeah, you should. What? I just unsubscribed from the channel. And this is Cookie Swirl Swow. Well, that giant box of fantasy globe label stuff, yada yada. And so, yes. And so, yeah. Oops. My videos. Try not to laugh, and Geometry Theory Dash little clips. And first ever video ever. Up notifications. The upload is complete. Upload is complete. 3 hours ago, 18 hours ago, 1 day ago, 1 day ago, 1 day ago, 1 day ago, 2 days ago, 2 days ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 3 days ago, 4 days ago, 4 days ago, 4 days ago, 5 days ago, 5 days ago, 5 days ago, 6 days ago, 6 days ago, 6 days ago, what? Just goes to 15, 15, 14, 14, 14, 14, 14, 13, 13, 12, 12, 12, 12, 11, 11, 11, 10, whoa. Oh, there's so much. Okay. Wow. We got that settled, and guys, I think that's going to be it for the day.